Overruled, the witness may answer.
Yes, it appears the defendant is crossing the street.
This exhibit, I'm sorry. Are you aware of the other videos and pictures contained in Exhibit 131?
Yes.
Objection, leading.
Overruled, the witness may answer. Once again, please wait till I rule on the objections.
Do you believe all of the videos and pictures in Exhibit 131 are true and accurate based off of the videos that were obtained from the homeowners and businesses that you testified to previously?
Yes.
Move to admit 131 and permission to publish, Your Honor.
Objection. Directly to the video.
Your objection is noted. It is overruled. Exhibit 131 in its entirety is received. And did you ask for permission to publish?
I did.
Go ahead.
And for the record, Your Honor, this is a PowerPoint. What's being displayed at the moment is slide number 1.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Is it on the jury box? Okay. All right. Please play the video in slide 1. All right, the video has played completely, Your Honor. I'm going to ask to move to slide number 2.
Go ahead.
Do you see what's shown on slide number 2, Detective Rowe?
Yes.
Describe what we're seeing in slide 2.
Upper left-hand corner, you're going to see another still image of the original video. And then below that, you're going to see a zoomed-in, cropped image of the figure that would be crossing the street.
Okay. Have you seen this video on other occasions, sir?
Yes.
And obviously the zoomed in image is quite blurry.
Absolutely.
Okay. When we played slide 1, were you able to make out any details about the person in slide 1 that was crossing the street?
Yes, it appeared the person had a red shirt.
Okay. All right, we're going to go to slide number 3, please. And you testified about receiving video from the school building at 222 Maple Avenue, is that right?
Objection, leading.
Sustained as to the form of the question. Please rephrase.
What is shown on slide 3?
Slide 3 is a view towards the rear parking lot of the Lindholm building, or also known as the School District of Waukesha Administration Building.
And I'm going to request that we play the video in slide number 3, Your Honor, in its entirety.
Do you happen to know how many seconds?
5.97.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Objection, relevancy.
Overruled. You may play.
Did it play? Yep. I'm sorry, I missed it. Okay, we'll go to slide, next slide. Lost track. We're on 4 or 5. Slide number. Going to slide number 4. All right, so again, the camera, or strike that. What are we seeing on slide 4?
So again, we're seeing a still shot of the previous video we just viewed. And then there's a zoom in function below that where it shows a cropped out photograph of a figure.
Okay. And you've seen this video yourself in person, sir?
Yes.
What do you recall about what you were able to observe about the figure or subject walking there behind the school?
Objection, leading.
Overruled. The witness may answer.
The figure moves from right to left through the parking lot or north to south up until until it reaches the fence on the left side of the picture.
All right. Next slide, please. Do you recognize the image in slide number 5?
Yes.
Or is it 6? It's 5. Okay. Please tell us what you recognize this area to be.
This is also the Lindholm building. This is a camera that is deeper into the parking lot. which means that it will be a closer view of the previous video.
Okay. And, I'm going to ask that we play this clip, Your Honor, and for the record, it's a total of 20.81 seconds.
Go ahead.
Objection.
Your objection's noted. Go ahead and play.
Thank you. Please turn to the next slide. What do we see in slide number 6?
Upper left-hand corner is a still shot of the video, and below that is a screen capture of a figure in that photo.
Okay. Next slide, slide 7. So currently we're looking at a black screen, correct?
Yes.
Do you know what this video is going to show, sir?
Objection speculative. He's black.
Overruled. The witness may answer if he's able.
Yes, it's another home security camera at 126 Central Avenue.
All right. It's a total of 20 seconds, 20.09 seconds. And we will play in its entirety, Your Honor. And with sound on this one, yes, thank you.
Excuse me.
All right, next slide, please. What do we see on this final slide, sir?
Upper left-hand corner is a still shot from the video, and the screen that's been cropped at the bottom is a image of the defendant.
All right. That completes Exhibit 131. Detective Rowe, based on these video clips that you obtained and the canvas that you and your team did in the neighborhood, were you able to put together a map basically tracking the travels of Darrell Brooks through the neighborhood that afternoon?
Objection. I don't consent to being called that name and it's leading.
The objections are noted.